If you bought I bonds in the past and still own them, should you hold or sell your I bonds in 2024? I believe you should sell the I bonds you're holding. Let's talk about the reason why. I bonds are an investment issued by the US Treasury to protect your money from losing value due to inflation. In spring of 2022, when inflation was high, many people, including myself, bought I bonds. The interest rate on an I bond at the time was 9.62%. That's an amazing rate of return for a low-risk investment. However, remember, I bonds are designed to track inflation rates, and inflation has decreased as the Federal Reserve has increased interest rates. The result? The I bonds I bought in 2022 have an interest rate of 3.38% from May to November of 2023, and will only have an interest rate of 3.94% from November 2023 to May 2024. Meanwhile, short-term Treasury bills are earning 5.5%. That's a full 1.5 percentage points higher. If inflation grows again, increasing the I bond rate, the Fed will likely increase interest rates even more to fight inflation. As a result, I don't think I bonds are worth it today. I've sold mine and instead invested in short-term Treasury bills. Keep in mind though, if you sell your I bonds before 5 years, you do lose 3 months of interest. That trade-off is worth it to me to earn more dollars in Treasury bills. If inflation is ever particularly high, you can always buy I bonds again. However, the Fed will also likely increase interest rates on Treasury bills to fight that higher inflation. In conclusion, if you bought I bonds in Treasury Direct, make sure you know they are earning a lower rate of interest now than other low-risk investments. If you want to learn more about Treasury bills, you can check out my previous video. Tomorrow, I'll also be releasing a video talking more about CDs. Thanks for listening in. I'm Nick, and I've worked in finance for almost a decade. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and follow our channel for future videos. You can check out our WeChat group for more wealth and retirement tips. Talk to you next time. Bye.